The Kosovo Security Forces received 5 Türkiye's Bayraktar TB2 drones almost 7 months after an agreement was signed, the Clan Kosovo portal reported Friday. The agreement was signed by Minister of Defense Armend Mehaj, according to an exclusive story by the portal. The intelligent, unmanned attack drones, which are controlled from a ground base, have arrived in Kosovo from the country of production of the drones and the entire tracking system, Türkiye, after almost 7 months from the signing of the contract with the manufacturing company, it said. Kosovo Security Forces received the drones amid the start of the largest international exercise, Defender Europe 23. Kosovo will play host for the second time as it participates in the US-led exercise with more than 1,100 soldiers. The reputation and international demand for Türkiye's Bayraktar TB2 and Bayraktar Ikinci have risen across Europe since the start of Russia's special military operation against Ukraine. Albania and Serbia reaffirmed their intentions to purchase the combat drones which have been in high demand worldwide. The Turkish-made drones that Albania agreed to purchase will be put into service very soon, its prime minister said Thursday. Ukraine, Qatar and Azerbaijan have already purchased the drones, with Poland becoming the first EU and NATO member state last year to acquire drones from Türkiye. The Turkish combat drone is seen as pivotal in conflicts ranging from Karabakh to Ukraine. People in several countries started fundraising campaigns to buy more of the useful drones for Kyiv to help fight Russia.